A fluorescent module needs to be installed. To upgrade MI52 to MF52-N,
use the supplied screwdriver to remove the stage. Before removing the dust cover, remove the nosepiece. First, twist the knob to nosepiece to the highest position. Find the location of the nosepiece as fixing screws. Use a flat blade screwdriver to loosen the set screws. Carefully remove the nosepiece. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the fixing screw of the dust cover. Then take off the dust cover. Remove the bottom plate of the fluorescent module. Then put the removed bottom plate in this position. Tighten the two set screws to secure the base plate. Install the baffle. Tighten the two fixing screws. Install the nosepiece and tighten the fixing screw in the middle. Reinstall the stage and tighten the four fixing screws. Remove the camera before installing the fluorescence module. The slider at the bottom of the module needs to correspond to the groove. Then insert the module. After ensuring that the module is in the corresponding position, use a screwdriver to tighten the fixing screws at the back. Tighten the screws to prevent the fluorescent module from moving, and the installation is complete.